Hi, I'm Brad Steffens, Product Reliability Lead with Civacon. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace an individual stacking control valve in our typical MCP air control system. The tools required for today's repair are two 7/16 wrenches, a drift punch, and a small hammer, and be sure to wear safety glasses. A replacement control valve kit contains a 12717 control valve, 4 O-rings, and 2 replacement ball bearings. The stacking valve assembly that we were using for today's demonstration is for a typical 4-compartment tank. To begin, we will start by removing the nuts on the end of the 3 threaded rods that connect all the 4 stacking valves together. After it's on its end, remove the number 4 control valve and place it to the side, and then remove the defective number 3 valve. We will take our replacement valve and install the 4 provided O-rings into the O-ring grooves. When replacing an intermediate valve, such as on this setup, number 2 or number 3 that we're replacing, you do not need to install the provided ball bearings into the air ports. I now stand the valve back on end and reassemble in the reverse order. Pay close attention to that all O-rings remained in their respective O-ring grooves when reassembling. Then reinstall the flat washers, lock washers, and nuts and properly tighten. Now our repair is complete. If you're replacing just an individual control valve, like for a single compartment setup, or the end control valve on a multi-compartment block, the 2 provided small ball bearings will need to be inserted into the small air ports on the end of the block to seal off the airflow. To install the ball bearings, simply place a bearing into the small air port and tap it in gently with a hammer. Then take your punch and drive the bearing in flush with the surface. You repeat the same procedure with the next air port, the same as the first one. The valve block is now properly sealed off, ready to be installed in the end of a multi-compartment assembly or as an individual valve. For more technical assistance on this product or any other products that Civacon offers, please visit our website or contact us on our toll-free tech line.